In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for recruitment and hiring. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. If you're in HR or part of a hiring team, you know how crucial it is to have an organized and efficient process when it comes to recruitment. Trello is a fantastic tool that can help you streamline this process. So the first thing you'll want to do is log into your account at Trello.com. Once you're in, head over to the Templates section from the main menu. Here, you'll want to filter by the HR and Operations category, which specifically focuses on human resources workflows. Take your time to browse through the templates available. One that stands out is the recruiting pipeline. Click on it to preview its structure. Usually, it has lists set up for different stages like applicants, phone screens, interviews, and offers. When you find one you like, simply click on the Use Template button to start creating your own version. Once you've got your template ready, it's time to set up your board. Make sure to enter a clear and specific board title. For example, if you're hiring a software developer, you could name it Software Developer Recruitment Pipeline. This not only helps in identifying the board at a glance, but also keeps everything organized. Ensure you assign the board to the correct workspace so that your HR team or hiring managers can access it easily. After that, click Create to generate your board based on the template you selected. Now let's talk about customizing the workflow. Every hiring process is slightly different, so it's essential to make this board your own. You can start by renaming the lists to reflect your specific hiring stages, maybe adding something like technical interview or background check if those are part of your process. Next, you'll want to start adding candidates. Use the applicants list to create cards for each candidate. I recommend using their names as the card titles. This way you can easily identify who you're looking at. Inside each card, you can attach resumes and add contact information. This is also a great place to leave interview notes or any feedback your team may have from their discussions. To keep everything organized and track progress effectively, utilize labels. You can categorize your candidates by department, priority level, or even by where they applied from, like LinkedIn or a referral. This will make things much simpler when you have a lot of candidates to keep track of. Don't forget about assigning due dates. Set these for your interview stages or any necessary follow-ups to keep the hiring process on schedule. You can also assign team members directly to each card. This step clarifies who is responsible for the next hiring action, removing any ambiguity about responsibilities. Finally, as candidates move through the hiring funnel, you can drag and drop their cards between the lists. This will give you a visual representation of progress, making it easier to manage the entire recruitment process at a glance. And there you have it. With Trello, your recruitment and hiring process can be more organized, collaborative, and efficient. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Happy recruiting!